By adjusting the temperature of the steam boiler, we can manage several parameters. We can increase or decrease steam 1 pressure and alter the temperature of the water used to brew your espresso. To alter the temperature of the boiler, enter Eco mode by holding button 5 and then pressing button 3. Press and hold button 5 until you see language on the display. Then press button 5 25 times until you see the words boiler temperature on the top row of the display. By pressing button 2, you can decrease the temperature. By pressing button 1, you will increase the temperature. Once you're happy with the new boiler temperature, press button 5 8 more times until you see Eco on the display. Then, to exit Eco mode, press button 3 and continue using your machine.